The doorbell camera captured the moment a FedEx driver delivered a package to the customer, but an unexpected event occurred just after he left. As a neighbor walked by, she noticed the package. She glanced around nervously, then used a broom to drag the package away, as if convinced no one would notice her actions. The neighbor crouched behind a wall, using a broom handle to sneakily pull the package toward her. The whole scene looked almost comical. Just as she managed to drag it out, the homeowner noticed and called out to her, but she grabbed the package anyway and walked off.